So here we're making the half triangle. I'm gonna start with the slip knot, and I'm gonna chain two single crochet in the first stitch, chain 1, two single crochet in the first stitch, one single crochet in the next one, chain 1, one single crochet in every stitch only, chain 1, two single crochet in the first stitch, one single crochet in every stitch, chain 1, one single crochet in every stitch, chain 1, two single crochet in the first stitch, one single crochet in every stitch. So basically what we're doing here, one row I'll have the increase, and one row it's a normal single crochet, and the increase is always on one side, on the inclined side. So one row normal single crochet, one row increase, so you have one straight line and one inclined line till row 40. You follow the same till the end of the work.